So this is the West Building boiler room. Bam, boiler. Bam, boiler control. This is a piece of shit. I hate this fucking cocksucker, but it's what we have to deal with. The other one's much simpler. Okay, right now, the red is what time it is. This motherfucker is moving this way. The dial. The whole fucking dial is moving this way. So right now, it says 9:15, and in 45 minutes, it'll have moved a little bit, and it'll be 10 o'clock. So there's 4 pins on this piece of shit. The ones on the top of the face say off. The ones in the back say on. So basically, and it's not the point here, it's the fucking where the arrow points to at the edge of this bitch. It says off. So this, as you can tell, is off at midnight. Bam. So when this cocksucker lines up with this cocksucker, it's gonna switch itself off. When this motherfucker gets here, bam, and you can see it's right there at the edge of that. When it gets to, I got it set at like 5:15 in the morning, bam, it's gonna switch back on, switch back off at 10 a.m., switch back on at fucking 8. If we have a huge swing in temperature or weather out here, you're gonna have to fuck with this. Hopefully, I'm gonna set it in a way in which hopefully it'll just be good the whole time you're gone. But you might have to fuck with it. So if it's a situation where it gets super fucking hot out and everybody's like, oh my God, why is the heat on? I'm gonna fucking kill you. You come down here, there's 2 levers right here. One says on, one says off. This bitch is on right now because I can hear it running. This fucker says off, this fucker says on. If I just hit that, bam, whole system is off. If I just hit this, bam, whole system is on. And essentially, that's what these fuckers do when they turn. So anyways, that's the complex one. It's a piece of shit. Fuck this thing. The other one's way easier. So I'm going to show you that one right now. So anyways, he comes on at 8, goes off at midnight, comes on at 5:15, goes off at 10 in the morning. If you need to switch that, this is a backwards screw. So if you throw it this way, it loosens, and then you can move these. And actually, if it gets to a situation where you only want the heat coming on at night, you put these on top of each other, so it only turns on and off once. But you shouldn't have to fuck with that. And then you gotta make sure you fucking tighten that bitch down, because if you don't, then there's not enough tension to turn those switches. Bam. That's the complicated one. You shouldn't have to fuck with any of the other stuff in here.
Okay.
But,
60 seconds.
You're gonna get a master key. This way. Got a little mess in here, sorry. Woo! Don't put your fucking forearm in that. This is what it should look like. Yellow face, if you need to change the time, you pull this bitch out and turn it. So, right now it's like 9:45 or something. On, off, it says it on there. On, off, that's on, that's off. So as it passes by, so that's all it is.
Okay.
That is 99% of probably going to be the only foreseeable complicated thing you'll have to do. And then just walk. You don't have to walk, just look. All these lights are going. You know, every 3 or 4 days, walk up the stairs, make sure somebody didn't fucking puke in the hallway, or all the lights are going, or, you know, whatever. That's never happened before. It's happened down there, but, you know, don't worry about it.